Okay, good morning, dear student. So, classification of elements and periodicity of properties. Classification of elements based on electronic configuration. According to electronic configuration of elements are divided into four types. The base for the classification is the electron entering of the differentiating into electrons is options. So, four types of classification of four types of electrons is S black elements, P black elements, and S, P, D and F. So this is the four types of blacks. First one is S black elements. S black elements are if the differentiating electrons are entering into the S orbital. If the differentiating electrons are entering into the S orbital, this is the called S black elements. This is the called S black elements. S orbital can have maximum number of electrons is so these are divided into two types. First A and second A group. First A group and second A group. First A group elements are hydrogen, lithium, sodium, phosphorus, rubidium and scandium. Rubidium and scandium. This is the first A group. Second A group elements is beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, boron, barium and radium. This is the second A group. And the outermost of electron configuration is Ns2. Ns2. And this is the strong metals. Strong metal and easily loss of the valence. Easily loss of the valency electrons. So, four types of blacks, S, P, D, F. S black elements are if the differentiating electrons entering the S orbital. This is called S black elements. And these are maximum number of 2 electrons is possible to divide into first A, second A group. First A group hydrogen, lithium, sodium, phosphorus, rubidium, scandium. Second A group beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. And this is the outermost electron configuration Ns2, strong metals and easily loss of the valency electron. This is the S black elements. And next one is second one is P black elements. If the electrons differentiating entering into the P orbitals. And this is the P block elements. If the differentiating electrons entering into the P orbital and to formation P black elements. And P black elements are divided into 6 electrons and these are the 6 electrons and third A to 8th A. Third A to 8th A. Outermost electronic configuration Ns2, Np 1 to 6. This is the strong metals, metalloids and non-metals. And third A group electrons is aluminium, germanium, gallium, indium. And fifth A group elements are silicon, aluminium, chlorine, aluminium, silicon and germanium. And tin. SN, tin. This is the fifth A group elements. If the electrons are differentiating electrons is p orbital and to formation p black elements, the maximum number of electrons is 6 is possible. Third A to 8A up to outermost electronic configuration ns to np1 to 6, and this is the p black elements of strong metals, metalloids and non-metals. This is the third A group and fifth A group elements. And next one is D black elements. D black elements. The D black elements, if the differentiating electrons are entering in the D orbital. D orbital, this is the called D block elements. D block elements, the outermost electronic configuration Ns2, Np6, Nd10. So this is the 10 electrons possible. 10 groups is there. 10 groups. 10 groups is third B to 8 B. First 2 B and second B subgroups. So outermost electronic configuration Ns2, Np6, Nd10. 10 electrons is possible, 10 groups is there up to third B to 8B. First B, second B is also subgroups. So this is the D black element. This another name is transition elements. Transition elements. So this is the D black elements. Outermost electronic configuration Ns2, Np6, Nd10. 10 electrons is possible, and this is the D black elements are divided into 4 series. 4 series. 3D, 4D, 5D, 6D. 3D is scandium to zinc. 4D hafnium to cadmium. 5D lanthanides and hafnium to mercury. Hafnium to Hg, mercury. And 6D is the actinides. This is the 4 series of D black elements. And next fourth one is F black elements. F black elements, if the electrons, different electrons is entering in the F orbital. F orbital and to formation F black elements. F black elements, the F black elements outermost is Ns2, Np6, Nd10, Nf1 to 14. 1 to 14. 1 to 14 electrons is possible. The arrangement, the elements are arrangement in the bottom of the periodic table. Bottom of the periodic table. Periodic table. The F black elements are 2 series. 2 series. 4F, 5F. 4F series is lanthanides. This is the actinides. So F black elements, the electrons, differentiating electrons enter the F orbital, and this is the outermost electrons configuration is Nf. 14 electrons is possible. The elements are arranged to the bottom of the periodic table, and 2 series is there, 4F series, 5F series. Actinides and lanthanides.